CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.6, Explain Common Uses of Encryption. Data in Transit. For this topic, I would like you to picture a massive freight train chugging along the tracks, loaded with valuable raw materials like coal. As the train moves from the mining site to its destination, the coal is in transit, exposed to the elements and potential theft unless it's properly safeguarded. In the digital world, when data travels from one point to another, we refer to this as data in transit. Just as the coal on its journey can be vulnerable, so too can data unless it's adequately protected. Sending an email is a great example of data in transit, as it involves transmitting data across networks to reach its intended recipient. As the email travels, it passes through various servers and networks, making it vulnerable to interception by malicious actors. Without proper protection, these actors can eavesdrop on the content of the email, potentially leading to breaches of privacy or data theft. Encryption plays a pivotal role in safeguarding this data. When you send an encrypted email, the content is transformed into a scrambled code, making it nearly impossible to decipher the original message. Another example of data in transit is internet traffic. When browsing, you might notice HTTPS at the far left of your browser's address bar. This signifies the use of SSL encryption or its successor, TLS encryption, to protect the communication between your browser and the websites you visit. By using the HTTPS protocol, you are ensuring that sensitive information, like passwords or credit card details, are transmitted securely over the internet. Essentially, SSL and TLS act as digital handshakes, agreeing on encryption methods to keep your online interactions private. Continuing with our study of data in transit, another encryption option that we have at our disposal is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and a remote server, acting as a protective tunnel for your data. This is especially vital for secure remote access to servers, allowing users to retrieve or send information without exposing sensitive data to potential threats. Lastly, think about the mobile applications on your smartphone. Every time you use an app, data is sent and received to and from servers. It's important that these apps use secure protocols to protect this data during transmission. This ensures that your personal information, conversations, and other sensitive data remain confidential and aren't compromised by potential threats. In summary, data in transit refers to information as it's being transferred from one location to another. In the same way you'd want valuable goods to be safe during transport, in the digital realm, we employ encryption techniques to make sure our data is delivered securely and intact. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.